Are you ready to see some crazy transforming furniture? First up, this incredible industrial shelf. It shows off decor and also makes a great room divider. Just turn the dial for an extra table when you need it. Now we're ready for game night. Or check out this space-saving cabinet. Would you ever guess that a dining set for 8 is fit in here? You can customize the table based on the number of guests you have. Just pull out the leaves and you're good to go. This triple duty table is our patio's best kept secret. It's a coffee table and cooler that rises up to pub height. When the party's over, just drain the cooler and use it as storage. How about seating on the go? Take an expandable bench to your next backyard party or barbecue. Supportive, comfy, and compact. What's not to love? It's the perfect tailgate companion or for weekend sports with the family. I don't know about you, but these items have me totally reimagining how a space can function. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!